So if I were to click on this image on the right hand side, you can also access its properties and then adjust the picture according to how you like. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around, here you can see the width and height of the picture. So you can go around and type in the width right here, just like this, press enter, and you can see that the image adjusts itself. You can also click and drag, and over here you can see the width and height gets adjusted accordingly. So right now, width and height is linked, which is denoted by this link button right here. So if I were to click on this, you can see that you can go around, type in 600 right here, just like this, 600 again, press enter, and this is what you have, as you can see. You can also go around with the rotation. So let's say 45 right here, then it rotates exactly 45 degrees right here. So let me just go around and then change this to 0 degrees right here. And over here, you can also adjust out corner radius of the picture, which changes out the radius, as you can see. So over here, transparency is here. So if I were to click and drag this out, you can see that the transparency increases and decreases as well. Let me click on this, and over here, let me type in 20 and press enter, and this is what you have. The image is transparent now. Let me just right click right here, click on duplicate, and now you can see the image is transparent. So if I were to increase and decrease the transparent, you can see the image beneath right here, or you can go around and see right here that you can make it transparent, or you can really make it opaque right there. So if I were to click over here, you can also go around, add in tooltip to it. So animation is something we're going to discuss on later lessons. So over here in tooltip, let's say if I were to type in tube, and if I were to hover around onto this image now, then it'll say tube right here, just like this. You can click over here, and you can also add in a hyperlink to the image. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and type in www.http://youtube.com/tube right here, press apply, then what happens is that the link is here. So you can go around, and if you were to actually click on the link, you can see that you can see the link right here. If someone has the viewing link, they can click on the image to visit that particular website as well. You can also go around, click on remove link, and the link is not there anymore. So that is how you can work around with image properties and change around the image properties inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.